In this video, I will show you how to use Control IO, the factory IO, to program the assembly line scene. Okay, so first of all, I'll open up. Here is the scene with we have um, a lid center, processing center. You have a lid entry conveyor. You have the robot that picks up the lids from here and place it in the lid processing center. And when that is completed, it takes the lid out and places here on the ramp that goes to the exit conveyor. So I'm just going to run it and let you see. So just observe. So it removes the lid, place it on the ramp, and it goes down the exit conveyor. Right? Another lid comes in, it picks it up. Now note, now let us look and analyze this basic circuit. Is just a start. The circuit will be more complex than this, but this is just a bare bones program. Here we have a Boolean where we input, where we can start and stop the lid's exit conveyor. Okay, so this is what this one actually starts and stop the lid exit conveyor. All right. Now, this Boolean here takes the input from the lid sensor, the lid at the entry. And once a lid is at the entry, it tells the robot to pick it up and put it into the processing center. So here you have lids at entry, and it goes to the lid center start. Lid center start is what controls the robot to go into action. Right. Now up here, this ensures that when this lid center is busy, that the lid's raw conveyor, which is the input conveyor, does not run. So it goes through a NOT gate. So once the center is busy, the lid conveyor does not run. Once the lid center is free, is not busy, then the raw lid conveyor can run and bring in a lid. All right. So let's watch it. Okay, it's running now. The lid conveyor, the raw lid conveyor runs. Okay. Now the center is busy, so it doesn't run. Right, still busy. See, this is still busy. You can see it here. So the lid's raw conveyor does not run. So the lid just stays there at the entry. All right. Okay. It's not busy anymore. A lid can come in. Now it's busy again. No more lids can come in. All right. So that's the behind the scenes, showing you Control IO, how Control IO runs the assembly line. Yes, the assembly line scene in Factory IO.